How do I know if I need help with Google? Here are some of the signs that you might be spinning your wheels on your own. Number 1, if you're not seeing more calls or new customers and you've been actively marketing for more than 3 months. Number 2, if you cannot keep up with consistent activity on Google Business, creating blog posts or YouTube videos, or you haven't even checked on your Google Analytics at all. Number 3, if you haven't logged into your accounts in 6 months, I highly suggest keeping an eye on all of your Google tools monthly. And lastly, if you feel overwhelmed, if you don't consider yourself tech savvy, there's no shame in getting help from someone who finds navigating the internet simple and easy. I'm here to help you feel more comfortable and in control of your marketing. At the same time, give you tips and tricks and information that you need to make the best decision for your business. Let's schedule a call and discuss your business goals, budget, and specific needs. Just go to my website and click the button in the top right.